So here we have the latest in fire extinguishers. We have P50 foam in these fire extinguishers. They're able to fight any type of fire up to 1,000 volts. So they do combustibles, liquids and electrical. They also comply with all the British standards and European standards for fighting of fires. The main difference in the actual extinguisher itself is they're built with a carbon Kevlar body in there, so they're a pressure vessel which doesn't need to be serviced or maintained in the same way that a traditional fire extinguisher needs to be done. So these extinguishers can now be looked after and serviced by a competent person, and to service them, all you do is you get the magnet from underneath the bottom extinguisher, wave it under the gauge, and as long as it goes back to the green, we know that the pressure's in there and it's correctly set for future use. And then it's visual inspection, check the catches and the handles are all intact, the nozzle's not blocked, and then there's just a question of signing off on the bottom as you would normally yearly. There's an online portal to keep this all records kept correctly for insurance purposes, and the extinguishers are also a lot lighter than traditional extinguishers you'd find around. So by having one extinguisher that can cope with any type of fire means you can do away with the traditional two that you'd find in an office or a building. So you might have a CO2 and a foam unit. This extinguisher will fight both of those, so you can have a lot less inventory, about 40% less than what you'd normally have on a traditional system of fighting fires. So in a standard rated fire extinguisher, 13A rating fire, this is the foam you'd find in it. We give it a shake. You can see it's foamy, but it's not that foamy. It's already starting to settle back out into water. So it's 98.5% water in that type of fire extinguisher. The higher rating foam that we use in the P50, so the P50 foam is rated at 34A rating. It means it can fight a fire for the same volume for about twice as long. If we give that a shake, it's instantly gone to full foam and it's not separating back out. And that is the main difference in the firefighting ability of these fire extinguishers.